You are the devil that you create the soul. And when life tries to pull you down, remember who you are and remember who you are. Now, I could be a little biased, but I'm of the same belief of the lyrics that I heard from The Color Purple when it said, I believe you have inside of you everything that you need to live a bountiful life. With all the love of life in you stand tall as the tallest tree. I want you to do this. Be grateful for every day that you give them. Those are easy and hard ones because you're living. But most of all, I'm thankful for you being the panther that you really are. You are legendary, and you are loved, and you're here. You made it. Congratulations to the class of 2020.